Welcome everyone to John E. Garage. Today I'm working on my 2013 Subaru Outback. I need to replace the lift supports on the rear door, and so we're going to replace the right one right now. I've already replaced the one on the left, so the hatch is working pretty good right now. However, it still requires two good lift supports in order for it to work properly. So this is the one that we're going to replace. So I do have my handy dandy stick ready to go when I need it for it to support the hatch. So these are 10 millimeter bolts, and then we have a 12 millimeter up here. We'll get the bottom one off first. And these lift supports are either left or right. And when you get the last bolt out, be careful because the hatch could come down on you. So you just got to be careful about that. And the way you have to do this is you kind of have to wiggle the door to get the nut off, the bolt out. And when I reinstall it, I'll have to do the same thing. Okay, good. There's that one. It's out. So now this is hanging. The door won't support itself, so you have to be careful. So have a pole ready to support the door. Otherwise, it'll fall on you. Now we can go ahead and take off the 12 millimeter. These struts have served us very well. So this is the original Subaru strut. This our Outback has over 265,000 miles on it, and this is the original. So it has performed very well. But it's now too weak for it to hold the rear door. So if you notice it has an R on it that refers to right, just keep in mind if you're confused about which is left and which is right on a vehicle, the driver's side is always the left and the passenger side is always the right. Or just look through the windshield and the left is the left and the right is the right. I'm going to replace that with two of these that I found on Amazon, a very good price. And I'll see if I can show you the part number. That's the part number. And the way you order these is you measure from here all the way to the end. These just happen to be, so that's how you when you order them, if you're not sure, they're going to ask you what's the length. And the length is from the very end here to the very end here. So simply, let's just go ahead in reverse order. First thing I'm going to do is put the 12 millimeter in. And I'm going to go ahead and tighten it down. This is where it gets a little tricky. Get your bolt ready to go. This in here, and then we're going to jiggle this. I'm going to lose my pull, just like that. But keep your hand up here. Line up the hole. Have your bolt ready to go. And you can see in there where it's got to go. And go ahead and get it started. When you're comfortable with it started, go ahead and finger tight it all the way while you're kind of shaking the door. Once that's done, then you can get the other one in. Yeah, we should be able to tighten it up. And there you have it. The last thing I like to do is add just a tiny bit of oil to the pivot points right here, just a little bit of oil, and this should last a very long time. Maybe put a little dab on your paper towel here and just kind of oil up that shaft, and you're good to go. So that's how you replace a lifting strut on a 2013 Subaru Outback. And again, we have 265,000 miles on this, and I'm not unhappy at all that these finally gave up, because they have served us very well. So here it is. Look at that. That's nice and smooth and perfect. So thank you so much for watching.